Hello, and I welcome for this AWS Security Foundations. This is module 7, and this is the last module in our series. Okay, so this module 7 basically defines about this responding to and maintaining an incident. So let me click this module 7 knowledge check. So here we have about 10 questions where we need to answer all the 10 and get at least 70% correct, and these questions are very helpful even for your exam preparation. So my recommendation is you please prepare all the questions thoroughly. The exam questions are very similar to the questions which you get, so practice well. Okay, the first question on your screen: which AWS service is a continuous monitoring and assessment service that provides an inventory of AWS resources and records changes to their configuration? It is AWS config. So this is the first question. Let me check. Yeah. The second one: an administrator would like help managing complex and time consuming operations such as patching software and routing support tickets. Which AWS service would meet their need? It is step functions. Yeah. Third one: an administrator wants to ensure that they optimize their AWS infrastructure and also improve security performance. Which option would meet their need? It is trusted advisor. Third one. The fourth one: an administrator would like to have additional insight into their applications and collect operational data in the form of logs, metrics, and events. Which AWS service would meet their need? This is CloudWatch. The fifth one: an administrator wants to improve their vulnerability management. They would like to use a service that continuously scans Amazon EC2 instances for software vulnerabilities and unintended network exposure. Which AWS service would meet their need? That is AWS Inspector, Amazon Inspector. Okay. Sixth one: an administrator wants to run continuous assessment checks on their resources. The purpose is to verify that these resources comply with their own security policies, industry's best practices, and compliance standards. Which AWS service would meet their need? So it is AWS config. Okay. Seventh one: an administrator would like to increase their network protection and eliminate any potentially unauthorized or malicious activity in their AWS environment. Which AWS service would meet their need? It is GuardDuty. Okay. Eighth one: what are best practices for handling an incident? So I say this: automate containment capabilities. That should be one. Identify key personal external resources and tooling. Yeah, these two should be the best practices for handling an incident. Okay. The ninth one: an administrator wants to implement a level of protection against distributed denial of service attacks, DDoS. So which AWS service would meet their need? This is Shield. Yeah. 10th one: which definition best describes an incident response? Okay, set of information security practice policies and procedures that can use to identify, contain, and eliminate cyber attacks. Okay, correct. So hence we have completed this module 7, and this is the last module in our AWS security knowledge check series. Yes, congratulations, you have completed all sets of modules, and best of luck for your exam preparation. Thank you and bye.